Option to stay here, surrendering to the forward fold, bringing your heart beneath your hips, reversing the flow of blood and energy, using gravity to your advantage here. Or if you want to bring your head down to the floor and your hands to the earth, you can straddle the legs up for a headstand. If you go upside down, go up and down with confidence, with control, feeling supported, feeling strong. Let's take our deepest breath in, our deepest folds. Slowly come up to a stand, rolling out one vertebrae at a time.